What is the impact of this market crash on LIC? What is the impact of corporate defaults on LIC? How is LIC going to be impacted? What is the future of LIC? Let's look at it. Welcome back to Berich. Recently, there's an article on the web pages of Business Standard which talks about equity hits on LIC. LIC has a market exposure of 6 lakh crores, mainly invested in listed Indian stocks. This has dramatically gone up in the last 5-6 years when LIC was asked to prop up the market and bail out banks like IDBI and Corporation Bank. LIC has had a long history of investing in Indian stocks. So far, it was not a problem because it was that LIC was a society-like company which was mutually beneficial with no ownership, and LIC could own these stocks forever. Now that there is plans to convert this into a company and list it, we need to relook at it. Currently, according to the Business Standard, LIC has lost 1,90,000 crores in markets. This is only in marketable securities. There are big losses in cigarettes, hotels, banks, etc. Then there are uncounted losses in steel and other metal companies. Then power and power distributors. LIC's major loss is not on marketable equity stocks. This will recover in over a period of time, but is the opaque, non-convertible debentures it has subscribed to. It has subscribed to NCDs of all companies which have defaulted in this Yes Bank scam. It also had Tier 1 bonds of Yes Bank. Yes Bank has got huge exposure to the Anil Ambani group, to the SL group, to the Divan Housing Finance, to ILFS. In fact, it is one of the co-promoters of ILFS. Whenever disinvestment failed over the last 20 years, LIC has been the buyer of last resort. There is a huge unbooked loss in ONGC. There are losses in banks in which it was forced to invest, like mainly Corporation Bank and IDBI. LIC is supposed to turn around and run IDBI Bank, a very difficult task. IRDA has strict rules how LIC should invest. However, since the government ran LIC, it got exemptions and there were norms that were violated and money was invested in securities. Also, LIC has securities which are not marked to market. Government, both central and state government borrowings, excesses have been funded by LIC. Uday is a big failure according to the Mint yesterday. Most of the Uday bonds subscribed to by state governments are also owned by LIC. At least the central government can resort to RBI issuing more bonds and pay interest. How are these state governments going to pay these debts? Only time will tell. In this situation, once you decide to convert LIC into a public limited company by amending 3 laws in Parliament, all this truth will have to come out. All a white paper has to be published and a big knock is expected to be taken. LIC may not be as valuable as we think it is if all this white paper is published and a company is formed. Also, there is a matter of a sovereign guarantee and a matter of compensating existing policy holders. Also, the government has cut the branch on which it's sitting by taking away tax exemptions slowly for income tax. Without income tax exemption, selling LIC policies is going to be next to impossible. This government has manufactured headache where there was none. As markets tank, earnings drop. Next 1 year, there is no way we can list LIC at cheap valuations because government will want obscene valuations for this company. They are comparing themselves with Chinese life insurance companies. This is not going to happen. This year's disbursement target is going to be missed, and LIC is going to take a long time to recover the losses in investment it has made, both in equities and in debentures. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this video, kindly share it among your friends and relatives. If you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. If you like to buy my books, there's a WhatsApp number given below. You may send your WhatsApp number to it. My team will get in touch with you. If you'd like to get in touch with me, send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com and my team will respond. Once again, I thank you for watching Berich.